Hello everybody, Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today, how to keep your Bosch dishwasher hygienically fresh. Now the first thing you need to do is clean the filter. And there's a link above now about how to do that. Right, let's get cracking. As I've just mentioned, it's really important to clean out your dishwasher filter regularly. Otherwise it can look like this, and this is not going to help your dishwashing cleaning. What you need to do is just empty out your dishwasher so it's completely empty. And I'll use one of those cups in a minute to have a lovely cup of tea. Then take your dishwasher cleaner. We've just got some Finish Dishwasher cleaner here. And it's just got a small tab sticker on the top. You just peel that off. And then what you do is you just literally lay that down where a plate would go. Roll that back in, close the dishwasher door and just put it on the normal hottest cycle. So this can take about 2 hours. So just hit the start button and then that will go through a normal cycle and it will use that dishwasher cleaner and just make sure that it's hygienically fresh. As you can see on the front of this dishwasher, there's a light up for the rinse aid and there's a link above now about how to top that up. And this is 2 hours later. So let's open the door. Take out the empty dishwasher container and put that in the recycling. And now the sniff test and the sight test. I tell you what, this smells absolutely fresh as a daisy and it is sparkling clean inside. Absolutely fantastic. If you're not going to be using your dishwasher for quite a long time, it's best to leave the door ajar just to give it a bit of ventilation. What you can also do is just take a hot soapy cloth and just clean the door rubber seals on either side because these can get dirty and covered in bits of food. So it's a good idea to keep these nice and clean. Once you've done that, then you can just clean around the outer door here. Again, this will get bits of food and dirt on it. You just make sure that's all nice and clean. You can also remove the lower and the upper spray arms, and I'll be covering that in a Bosch dishwasher maintenance video. Time for a brew. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really, really appreciate it.